Hey guys, it's MC Fix It here. I have some awesome new disc I want to show you. These things just got released, and so we're going to go ahead and open it up. And we have, first and foremost, we have the new range. This is an Eagle McMahon Special 173. I actually got two of those. Look almost identical. These things are sweet. I am super pumped to throw these. And they look really cool. And then the next two are Big Germs, brand new Tempos. These things look so good. These ones are glow in the dark as well. So this is their newest glow plastic. It's called Particle, and I'll show you what these look like. Okay, so I got my LED light bar out, and you can actually see these ones are not glow in the dark, but they do have some UV reflection on them. So let's go ahead and see what these particles look like. So there is no light here. That actually works really well. I mean, it's not near as glowy as their newer version 2 of their glow plastic, but you will definitely be able to find this out on the course. These things are board flat, which means they're going to be nice overstable disc. I cannot wait to throw these, and they just look really, really solid. So one thing I want to do is go ahead and take, this is a Tempo as well. This is the 2024 MVP Open disc against the brand new Particle Glow, and see what the difference is and see how much you can tell. So immediately you can kind of tell a difference, but this still glows really well. Like if you lost this out on a course and you threw it and it wasn't in the middle of the fairway, you're going to be able to find this one just by it sitting there and glowing, because it does work really well. Now obviously their Glow 2.0 is just some of the best in the market, and these things just stay lit forever, but this does seem like it's doing pretty well. I heard some complaints online that it wasn't as bright as before, but Big Germ, way to go. This looks really sweet. Love the stamp as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down here, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Look forward to producing more disc golf content just like this around the corner for you soon.